My name is Haley Cottle, and I teach Microsoft Office certification. I've been here at Inglemoor for 3 years now, and I love it. I love teaching. I am here for the students really, and to try and make them better citizens and get to know them and make sure that everyone knows that they have someone in their court rooting for them. So I graduated from Central Washington University with a bachelor's in chemistry, actually, and I have a minor in STEM teaching, which led me to this job and teaching Microsoft Office certification. And I know a lot about the different Microsoft apps. So what actually happens in our class is that students learn how to navigate the different Microsoft apps such as Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, Excel, and Access. So we are only going over the first three I mentioned in class. This semester, we're only going over Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Yeah, so your student, if they take the certification exam, which hopefully I can do every week or so, and once they pass this exam, they officially get certified in that Microsoft application. And this follows them for the rest of their life. They can put it on their resume, they can put it on their LinkedIn profile, all that sort of thing. It looks really good, whether your student is going into college or the workforce. So very, very awesome. And I'm trying to make all of the assignments in class so that they don't have very much homework outside of my class, since it is an elective. And I have a whole different range of students from 9th grade to 12th grade taking this class. So as long as your child uses their time wisely, then they should do well in my class and not have much homework. And the last part is, if you ever need to get a hold of me, you can just email me at hcottle@nsd.org, and I should get back to you within 48 hours. Please let me know if there's anything that I should know about your child, or if there's anything going on at home that I should know about. I really appreciate being in the know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you sometime soon, maybe. Bye.